Me say people, guys, me say guys, one epa passa. Hey, you come watch the video and give me your thoughts in the comments. Watch to the end so you can hear my input. Cause wish out to the so me not see nothing wrong with it. Moulda do it if I me and she, and people need to start do it to people like these. Them now no conscience. When you watch this and farm on own opinions and make me know below.
So when a great granny say great glam fitness, what the fuck? I'm gonna have to read this.
Easy. See there's one of that. You might want of the extra one should. I bet you put it separate. If you can't read, come on, I want that to read. Put on your glasses.
And you know I'm gonna walk with it. Oh, mild. Yeah. Tropical thunder. Oh, this is where you just get. No, this is where you just get. Tropical thunder. Oh, this is one. Snow crab leg. Oh, clad. After me, when I said so much things we get.
Yeah, remember the mustard too.
Yeah, what the fuck, sure.
She say, I bill you. I'm not say how much me get.
Hey.
Thanks. Show the girl there's something now, cause you don't know what you get.
Yeah. So weird. Oh, was so much man. I never had to take it. You know the funny.
See it up. Give them the supplements.
Oh. Oh yeah. So much blood clots in the minute.
So this, I will just get.
Yeah.
So C2. You understand now? You want your glasses?
And I'm coming.
Hold on. Oh, you don't ready, sir. My list of fuck. Seat 1, seat 2. Seat 1,
C2. Yeah, just so.
yeah, separate.
So do you want to divide the amount in half? Is that what you want to do? This was easier?
This is mine.
Do you want to divide the amount in half?
Me say true me enough, me I can't give my 2 cents. I don't blame Shorty. When Shorty and them girls they go, they look like them naturally have a way of true Vybz Kartel Babymother Shorty if you pay the bill. Shorty, I don't blame you. You did exactly what you were supposed to do. You know where you do wrong? You should have never made them come the check come in a one from the get-go. When you did they sit down at the table and you see them order when the bill come, you should have asked you 2 separate one. But maybe if you didn't do that, then that's say you're a pee hole and ray. So you make it play out. But she need her glasses. She never need her glasses when she did read the menu. We're pretty sure the bill come in a bigger writing than the menu. Because the menu pretty fine for you like whole on one paper, one booklet, right? Enough of them people are not no conscience and into leechy. You have a friend like Shorty, not because you know say the woman status or the woman ex-man status or whatever. You don't know her pocket, you don't know she go through. When you go somewhere, that's something you know you can pay for. Other way you know you that by yourself. This goes in same topic when you talk about dating and them something. Them woman you need for date in a them category. Stop date man only because man can buy a lobster. That's why man a kill no found one that show you body them. Buy one who can afford a person take you out, other way the other for yourself by your own tab. If a person definitely say carry on and say, yo, me I treat you other way you want, then yes, you can go above and beyond and other things that you cannot buy for yourself. But on a regular girls outing like this, oh gosh man, I don't blame Shorty.